Find the derivative of f of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 8. Okay, so para makuha natin yung derivative ng function na to, kailangan mo nating balikan yung mga basic rules para i-derive yung mga function. Yung una na pwede natin ma-apply dito sa function na to is yung tinatawag natin na power rule. Ano ba yung power rule? Yung power rule is ganito. Okay, paano naman to ina-apply? For example, kapag meron kang, halimbawa, we will have x to the fourth power. Paano mo siya i-derive? This is, pwede mo siya ma-applyan ng tinatawag natin na power rule. So, ang gagawin mo lang is, itong 4, lalagay mo dito, 4, and then copy si x, then 4, subtract natin kay 1. So, the result would be 4x. 4 minus 1 is cubed. So, therefore, the derivative of your x to the fourth power is 4x cubed. Okay? Now, yung another rule na pwede natin ma-apply is yung tinatawag natin na constant rule. Itong constant rule naman ay madali lang. Itong ibig sabihin ng c, ito ay constant. For example, what is the derivative of 2? The derivative of 2 is 0. Lahat ng constant number, yung kanilang derivative is 0. For example, what is the derivative of 25? Then, ang derivative niya is 0 din. Basta constant, automatic, yung kanilang derivative is 0. Okay? So, next, pwede na natin itong ma-solve. Okay. Find the derivative of f of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 8. Using yung ating rule, solve na natin to. F of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 8. Okay. Ano naman yung derivative ni x cubed gamit yung power rule? 3x. Then, 3 minus 1. Tama? Okay. Diretso na natin. So, this will become 3x squared. Then, you have this, negative 4x squared. Para ma-solve to, you have negative 4x squared. Diba? So, itong 2, lagay natin dito. So, this will become 2 times negative 4 times x raised to 2 minus 1. So, 2 times negative 8, 2 times negative 4, negative 8, x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 or simply x. So, yung derivative niya is negative 8x lang. Okay, so negative 8x plus yung 6x. Ano naman yung derivative ng 6x? So, yung 6x is the same as 6. The same as, di ba, maglalagay tayo dito ng 1, tapos x dito, tapos 1 minus 1. Tama? Kapag sinimplify natin, so 1 times 6, that is still 6. And then, x raised to 1 minus 1, that is 0. Pero alam natin na any number, aside from 0, na nire-raise to 0, yung sagot is always 1. Tama? For example, if you have x raised to 0, 1, 25 raised to 0, 1, so on and so forth. So this will become 6, x raised to 0 is 1, or simply 6 times 1, that is 6 still. So, yung derivative ng 6x is only 6. Now, itong negative 8, sabi ko nga kanina, kapag dinederive natin yung constant, automatic, yung kanilang derivative is 0. So, wala na siya, non-bearing na siya, wala na siyang value. So, hindi natin siya ilalagay. Therefore, ang derivative ng function na to is 3x squared minus 8x plus 6. Paano mo siya malaman na derivative na kapag meron ng ganito? Okay, kapag na-derive mo na, huwag mo kalimutan tong ganitong sign. Okay, so this is the derivative of the given function.